Howdy, all. This is Public Wisdom, True Reliable Network News. This is Mosey along tonight. I introduced myself last night, but I'm going to do it again. I'll be joining you all this week. Miss Elizabeth seems to have taken a hike and forgot the compass, so she's trying to figure out how to get back in one piece. But before she does, I'm going to be taking care of some of her shows here so you don't miss a speck a heap of news that you need to know in order to get your day starting right. And tonight we're talking about on Digest Desserts called the AI Snake Oil Sermon. Yes, sirree, Bob. It came to me like a flash of thunder, and a screech of lightning crosses my unholy eyes when a snake crawled through the vestibule of my sight and whispered, "Mama, look out yonder." And I looked, and holy Moses, on a milk cart, there they was, the big black, splacky, slithering things crawling through the underbrush, trying to blend in with the sage and the broken limbs of a tree, thunderstruck tree. Oh, my word. What a sight for sore eyes. And holy Mosey, it was more than a sane person can put up with in one little old night. And I says to myself, "Mosey, look at that. It reads like a fried cock, too, behind on the paper." I paused, squinted, adjusted my spectacles that don't have no lenses. Now listen here, sugar beans. When a critter starts talking fancy about one-time outcome mentors and repeatable continuity mentors, that ain't wisdom. That's a possum wearing a graduation cap trying to sell you a diploma made out of wet cardboard. They ain't teaching you nothing. They ain't guiding you nowhere. They just hoping you don't notice that they know less than a June bug in a hailstorm. Now, let me tell you something straight here off. An AI ain't no mentor, ain't no preacher, ain't no prophet. It's a tool. If you don't know what to ask it, that machine leads you down a path so crooked, even a snake can get lost. So tonight on Digest Desserts, we're serving up a big slice of humble pie to every slick-tongued AI salesman thinks they can hustle the good people of this here land. You hear me, Rev Ed? Moses sees you. Moses reads you. Mosley ain't impressed. And if you come around here trying to sell me a daily manifestation mentor, I'll manifest my foot so far up the business model, you'll be seeing continuity sessions for the rest of your natural life. Now go on, children. Don't let no snake oil AI prophet tattoo frog points on your paper. Ask good questions. Use your noggin. And remember, it sounds like a sermon, but smells like a scam. It belongs right here on Digest Desserts.